Management Thailand. So today I will tell about the table of content of the sanitary pad vending machine. The first one is the analyze the situation. Second, design brief. The third, problem research. 4, specification. 5, solution, and the 6 is design construction. So next, we move to the logo rationale. Mekar. Our vending machine name is Mekar. Mekar origin from the Malay word which translates as bloom to symbolize the menstrual phase of woman and girl. So the font we use is a hexagon, and our Mekar logo inspired from red orchid flower, phalaenopsis, that bring the meaning of passion, strength, and courage.
Hi, my name is Nashira Matimazaidi. For analyzing the situation, Malaysia had the obstacle of maintaining period hygiene outside to home due to the lack of availability of sanitary napkin in public toilet or any other facility. The issue of period poverty had become a running issue for low-income women and girls in Malaysia. Period is still considered as a taboo in Malaysia. What are sanitary pads? Sanitary pads are rectangle of absorbent material that attach to the inside of a girl underwear and catch menstrual blood. They are sometimes also called sanitary pads or sanitary napkins. Why use sanitary pads? Function of sanitary napkin are to absorb and retain menstrual fluids and isolate menstrual fluid from the body. Important and desired properties are not leak, not unaesthetic appearance or color, no odor, no noisy, stay in place, comfortable to wear, and hygiene. If sanitary pads are important, since the 10th century, sanitary pads have been a common idea. The idea for the first commercial pad was developed by nurses who worked at the battlefield and discovered the quality of absorptive bandage that were used to heal the soldier. The idea was later appropriated by commercial manufacturers. Sanitary pad is important in supporting women's health and suitable environment. Girls and women are less likely to contract infection when they have access to safe and inexpensive sanitary product to control the period. Overall, sexual and reproductive health may be impact in a cascading manner, including a decline in teen pregnancy, favorable mother outcome, and fertility. Sanitary pad in Malaysia. In Malaysia, the leader have the access for sanitary pads at public toilets, and instead certain company or non-government organization will provide sanitary pad or give free pads at their place. In 2022, Perak plans to place sanitary napkin vending machine at strategic area as one of the measures to address the issue of period poverty among adolescents and women from the B40 group in the state. Unfortunately, this idea was not yet implemented in Malaysia and was left only as an idea.
So next, Health Ministry launched an initiative to combat period poverty. Putrajaya, the Health Ministry will provide free sanitary pads in a bid to address the issue of period poverty in this country. Health Minister Dr. Zaliha Mustafa said for a start, the initiative would be implemented at her office in the Health Ministry building here. She said, We will start at the Health Ministry headquarters in Putrajaya, and after that, we will expand it throughout all ministry office. And then maybe we can cooperate with other agencies and ministries. She told the reporters that Health Ministry monthly assembly here. So asked whether she will submit a proposal to continue the provision of free sanitary pads as implemented through Budget 2022. She said the matter would be looked into for inclusion in Budget 2023. Previously, the government had provided monthly assistance of feminine hygiene kits to 130,000 teenagers from the B40 group under Budget 2022 to reflect its concern over the issue of period poverty, which is at an alarming level in Malaysia. The Selangor government, through in its recently passed State Budget 2023, he allocated 2,000 ringgit Malaysia to empower women, include an awareness campaign and the provision of free sanitary pads, making it the first state to introduce such as initiatives. End Period Poverty in Malaysia by Shavitra Lewis, December 7, 2022. Selangor is set to become the first state to offer free sanitary pads in the fight against period poverty. This is fantastic news because rising living cost has a significant impact on the price of period products. Product poverty is real, even though some are denying it. As we know, Scotland is the first country to provide free period product, including tampons and sanitary pads at national level. This allows women to not have to worry about affording such necessity that may affect their mental health. According to the World Bank, an estimate 500 million women and girls worldwide lack sufficient basic facility for menstrual hygiene in 2018. Other countries such as New Zealand and South Africa are providing free period product to students in school. So Malaysia seems to be behind the trend, but Selangor made a timely move in implementing this program, which other states can emulate. Next, we move to the design brief of Mekar. The problem of Mekar is in Malaysia there was no access to sanitary pads in public toilet, such as a restroom. The use of sanitary napkins has been reduced by many women and children. So the objectives of Mekar is among the proposed solution to the problem of period poverty among teenagers and women in the B40 socio-economic group in the state is the installation of sanitary napkin vending machine in key locations. So the target audience of the Mekar is all women and girls who need sanitary pad. So the facts, the female college students, especially those at university, require additional sanitary pads in public restroom because they do not bring their own supply. Therefore, the sanitary pads vending machine is the best solution for them. So the background of the Mekar design is as we care about Malaysians who need help, especially women. By creating a vending machine that provides sanitary pads, this can make it easy for women out there who we also take a great care of all women with kindness and love, because all women deserve to have their need easily.
For this slide is about the research problem. First, the research about what country that provide sanitized pads in public toilet. Second is about research about initiatives of country implementing this innovation. How many this is type of innovation. Next, why they find this innovation is helpful. Last is about advantage of vending machine sanitized pad in public toilets. The country that provides sanitary pads in public toilet first is Tokyo, a Western Japan. Its company is offering free sanitized pads. The dispenser installed inside women individual restroom stored at Commission Complex and translation in Osaka Prefecture and the later Tokyo area. in the hope that the trial service will be held. The item as prevalent as toilet paper. Second, secretaries of country implementing this innovation, how many use this type of innovation? The following situation reported by the survey will be very familiar to all women. In this unexpected situation, nearly 18% of respondents said that they tried to make a pack of toilet paper. 62% said they went to a store immediately to purchase the pads. 34% said that they went home to get feminist bias for pads. 53% said they asked another woman for supply to pad. Because of that, it caused women who are on their period to take a long time to find or serve the sanitary pad supply problem because they don't expect it to happen at the wrong time. So it will be easy for the woman with having a new innovation such as a vending machines sanitary pads in public toilet. That is why do they find this innovation helpful. The reason to use sanitized pad vending machine is sanitary pad vending machine bring comfort to female during their menstrual emergency. It don't include privacy as they access them personally and have independent to access the pads without hesitation. The dispensing machine don't require any distancing movement for a person to have access to it. Every girl should use a sanitized pad for better hygiene and sanitation. Menstrual hygiene practices are vital reproductive health and should be followed. There is potential loss to our country on economy and socially while do this girl drop out their school to mental health issue. For the last one, advantage of vending machine sanitized bag in the public toilet is the vending machine is advantage to women because many of the girl face the PCOD in regular periods, so they don't have pets around. In such so first vending machine are better to taken in their vending machine a severe. The sanitary pads dispenses in public toilet play a vital role in personal hygiene and also help women positively in many other ways. The process of maturation is a normal physically process that women have to go through. If you are trying to avoid the need to carry a pet during this period, then you can go for this official vending machine for pets at your nearby public toilet. This will help you detect your circle as every month there are different kind of process having different type of menstrual flow, and this innovation help its possibly variation.